Hi guys, Tom here, Rick's favorite hoarder. You know what it is. But what's inside of it? A bunch of rubbish. Yes. Well, there's the part that kills you. I don't know what's holding it, eating it, putting it somewhere where you shouldn't put it. But I think it's going in the shred. I don't have to worry about it. We got tidbits. Yes, tidbits, I say. What's that down on the floor? Recycling at my finest when they don't get away from me. Yeah. There. You're dead. Good thing I had another. Cheers. 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 Not to be done. Outdone. I eat you waste, Mike. He's doing a fine job in this community. I try to do a fine job in my basement. This. Well. Look at that. It sticks. And there's the brassy goodness. Falls right off. Brassy goodness. Or that, the brass bucket. Hold on. I got it right next to me. This is the clean brass. Another deposit. Little things. Weighs a couple pounds now. Now, back to the matter at hand. My nose is running. Hold on. Well, hopefully I have a tissue in my pocket. And there it is. Without a lie to you. Think I've got the summer cold. Temperatures being in the 70s last week, a couple days ago. But, as I said, shred. This is steel. I didn't want to shred that. I may have use for that. Let me show you. If I can get off this milk crate. No. Inside of my wall. There. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but there it is. For the rest of its life. I will probably fasten it with something more sturdy. When you pull off this part of the Magnatron, there's two wires and there's two connectors. I already removed the connectors, and there are the wires, and they are copper, I think. Yes, copper. Kind of dark in my basement of scrap. Focus. But I have two nice pieces of copper wire. This part, Whirlpool, goes in my shred bucket. We got the old magnets that came out of the Magnatron. Oh, I didn't want to break it. Crap. Can't show you my demonstration now. What happens when you have a positive and positive magnet. Let's see if we can still do it. No, there's positive and negative. Flip one over. That's not me playing. We'll put this on the ground. It's concrete. Watch it. There's your unlimited energy, people. Did you see it? We'll do it again. Harness that. You got it made. No more coal, no more electric. Unlimited electric. What I wanted to show you, there's two magnets in there, identical, and I wanted to center punch here. It's magnetized in there now. Wanted to show you that like that, and the other magnet on top of it. It falls down to about there and just covers. It's kind of cool. But anyway, I do get distracted. We have chunks of magnet now. We'll just go over the pile. Yes, that'll go in the shred. This is nice aluminum. These are the fins that you see inside of the magnetron. When you hold it in your hand like that, you turn it sideways, there's fins. And this is all aluminum to be smashed down. I want to make sure. I love being in my own house. I can make my own noise. Like that. 10 o'clock at night. And then I'll put this in my aluminum bucket. And I'm piddling with things down in the basement. Piddling, I say. I'm pissed that I broke that magnet. Gotta have a second one. Baby, come on. Come on. There it is. Pegged it. This was the one I was using last several years. Don't want to get the magnet too close to the phone either. Probably screw that up. Now I have a nice chunky size magnet. Yes, put that on my railroad iron. Along with these little fine pieces. Put that back in Grandpa's toolbox. Yes, it's a center. I think it's called the center punch. Maybe this is what he used to drive rivets in on the New York fridge or something. I don't know. But yes, little copper. The copper pile, a little brass for the brass pile, and a little more sheet aluminum, fine extruded. Flatten these out, throw them in the bucket. There's the bucket. Say hello, bucket. Making buckets famous. I don't know. But I wanted to check in Saturday night. I watched a bunch of YouTube videos and probably drank a 6-pack of beer. And this is cheap. Not the greatest in the world, but it's not the worst in the world. Oddly enough, it's made by Anheuser-Busch. So, better than that other Clydesdale piss they sell. $4.99 for 6 16-ounce cans. Not 12-ounce, 16-ounce. Today's day, when you're getting 11.2 ounces of Guinness in a bottle, 16 ounces is a nice refresher. Especially when it's not cold outside and get stuff done down in the scrap dungeon. From magnetrons to water pumps. Fiddle with that one too. And even have a fishing reel. Fiddle with that. But I wanted to check in, trying to get some stuff off this back ledge. Yes, it's copper. Dirty copper, sadly. I don't know what to do with it. I might just hold on to it. As I said, I wanted to check in a beautiful Saturday evening. Tomorrow being Sunday, I have to get ready to do my laundry and go back to work. So I need to sober up. Like that's not going to happen anytime soon. The old joke, yeah, poor Tom finally died. Yep. Well, there's one good thing. He finally quit drinking. I don't know. That's all for now. Me and my magnetron. I thought I had a few more back there. Maybe I've already taken them apart. Some rectifiers. Speakers. What are these things? Oh, the batteries. Yeah. How do you like that? Didn't even know I had them. Add that to the battery pile. I have 1.5 outside. And just some type of motor here. I'm not quite sure. Possibly out of a washing machine. Kind of cool. Need to get rid of all this stuff. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Keep hoarding. Hoarding, yes, hoarding with a D. Bye-bye.